Hello everyone, I'm Oksana, ceramic artist and illustrator, and you're at my YouTube channel Cut-Rechart, and today I will show you how to make a cup from a piece of clay. I use white clay, so first you need to make a bowl. Also, as you see, I use such a piece of canva. It's very comfortable because it's absorb all the moisture that clay might have. Also, if you see such cracks, you also need to smooth it with water or with your fingers, somehow to remove it. If you need to smooth it with the water, I use usually a sponge. You can use just the usual kitchen sponge and do it this way. You do all these things in order to prevent cracks in the future. So then I need to form such a cylinder. Depends on what kind of cup do you want to receive in the end. And in this cylinder, with my thumb finger, I make a hole. But don't be in rush. Do it really slow, feel the clay. If you do it fast, again, you will have a lot of cracks and it will be much difficult to smooth it. So little by little, form a shape of your future cup. Also, take a note that my thumb finger, look at the movements. My thumb finger moves down and all the other fingers moves up. Look, then little by little, I repeat this movement and make a shape. Again, if you see some cracks, you just need to smooth it with your fingers or to use a sponge. Yes, this way. Don't be in rush. Clay doesn't like it. So as you see, it already looks like a real cup, but cup handle is missing, so it has to be done. As you see, I decided to remove some piece of clay at the bottom of the cup, but of course it's not necessary, just my own design, let's say. And at the bottom of the cup I also make a name of my shop, Borbali. In Georgian it means a wheel. Such stamps you can buy at Temu or in any other online shop. Also very convenient thing, pottery wheel. When you make cup or bowl, it's really convenient. You don't need to turn around your ceramic. This one is not for ceramic making, by the way. It's for cakes, but it's really cheap and for now it covers my needs. You can buy a professional one, doesn't matter. So now cup handle time. Make such a stick, again smooth it if needed, and then make a shape and cut it again if needed. Try it with the cup, look if it suits it or suits the cup or not, maybe change the shape a little bit, and then you need to stick it to the cup. For this you need a special tool, needle ceramic tool, or you can use just again simple kitchen stainless scrubber. So you need to scratch the surface of the handle and surface of the mug, then water it a little bit and then stick. As you see on the video it looks like this, but it's not the end. You need to strand it to make it more strong. So now I take a needle ceramic tool and make such scratches, and same scratches I make on the mug, and then stick mug handle to the mug. Before sticking you need to water surface of the mug handle and mug. As you see, mug handle doesn't look strong enough and we need to strand it, so I made two thin sticks. Again I scratched it and scratched appropriate place on the near mug handle and then sticked it to the mug. And you see, with wooden ceramic tool I do such movements in order to, let's say, integrate these sticks to the mug. Again, you can water the surface to simplify the process. So in the end I have a such cup as you see, and now I need to water it with a sponge in order to prevent cracks, or even if you see some cracks now, again you need to remove it with your fingers and with watered sponge. So now I leave this cup to dry, to fully dry, and then first firing, glazing, and the second firing. So I will record new videos. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.